this tutorial today, I'll teach you how to fix your MMS. Basically, if you jailbreaked or unlocked your iPhone to T-Mobile, this problem will occur. So right now, there's a way to fix it. First, go to Cydia. Wait for it to load and go to Manage, Sources. Go to Sources. Then add the repo cydia.pushfix.info, which I already have. Scroll all the way down until you see Tmobile US MMS fix right there. Go ahead and install it. After installing, it will tell you to reboot your device. So just go ahead and do that. After you reboot it, go to Settings. Go to General, Network, and Cellular Data. On the MMS section, there should be info filled in already by the app, the thing you just installed before. And I had to add my APN, which was wap.voicestream.com. So let's go ahead and check out how the outcome was. So basically, my friend just sent me a photo, and you could see the camera, which says take photo or video, and you can send it to your friend or choose existing. And that's it. If you have any questions, please comment below, or anything you need help with, just go right ahead and ask. Thanks for watching.